Now, dear children, we learnt that our body and the parts of the body are very important. Yes, why are the body parts important? Because every body part performs a special work, right? All of the body parts does a special work. So, isn't it important to take care of the body? Yes, it is very important to take care of the body. Why? Because our body is very special. So, we need to take care of the body. So, now let us see some of the ways by which we can take care of the body. Ways to take care of the body. Let us learn how can we take care of our special body. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, my dear children, it is very important to brush your teeth. And how many times will you brush it? 2 times. Yes, you have to brush your teeth 2 times a day. So, one in the morning and one at night. So, when you wake up in the morning, you will brush your teeth. And what will happen if you brush your teeth? Your mouth, your teeth will be clean. All the germs will go away. They will run away. And at night, you need to brush your teeth. And then you have to go off to sleep. So, you need to brush your teeth 2 times. That means twice a day. Now, look at this. What do you see? Lot of vegetables and fruits. Yes. So, how many of you like to eat fruits and vegetables? So, I hope that all of you are good girls and good boys and you like to eat fruits and vegetables. So, if you want to have a good body, if you want to be healthy, what do you need to eat? You need to eat healthy food such as fruits and vegetables. What will happen if you eat only junk food? What will happen? You will become sick. You will become weak. So, you have to eat fruits and vegetables. So, from today onwards, all of you will eat fruits and vegetables so that you can have a healthy body. Next is take a bath every day with soap and water. Yes, now this is very important. You need to take a bath every day. So every day when you wake up in the morning, you need to take a bath. Why? Because when you take a bath, you feel fresh. You feel fresh and also you feel clean. So taking a bath makes you feel fresh and also cleans your body. Okay, dear children? So remember to take a bath every day with soap and water. Now, how many of you are watching television all the time at home? Some of you maybe and some of you may not. Well, you all like to watch television. You like to watch cartoon programs on TV, correct? But is it a good habit to watch TV from very close? No, you should not watch television from very close. You should watch television from a proper distance. What will happen if you watch television from very close? It can be harmful for your eyes. Why? Because if you watch television from very close, you can damage your eyes. Your eyes can get damaged. And eyes are so important. So why to damage our eyes? So what will you do next time? Next time, whenever you are watching television or whenever you are watching your favorite cartoon, you will sit a little far away from the television and watch it. You should never watch your television from too close. So, do not watch television from too close. Watching television for a long time is harmful for the eyes. Yes, and don't watch television all the time. Watching television for very long can also damage your eyes. So, you will follow all this to maintain a fit and a healthy body.